everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. In this channel, we talk everything related to AI and automation and how you can use AI to do less of the boring stuff. And if you're not technical, not to worry, you're at the right place. We're gonna going to start from scratch. No assumptions, no jargons, and no, you should already know this. So this is my attempt via this series, an attempt to fix the gap and to learn together, hold together a new tool or a new AI enabled automation tool in the market. As you all might know, that we're standing at the age of intelligent automation, where it's no more a buzzword, whereas all the industries are moving towards it. And we're not like watching a trend from the sidelines, but we're building the workflows and everybody is moving and going through the digital modernization. And this is the time when we should also adapt it. The numbers tell it too, that there would be $126 billion market by 2030. There would be 35K plus jobs in AI and 1400% growth since 2022, which is huge. This is day zero. We are starting today and we are going to build an AI agent and learn an automation tool altogether. As I said, the numbers don't lie, and we are at the biggest era of innovation. And 78% of business are actively scaling their AI budgets currently. 62% of repetitive tasks are already automatable with today's tools, and 40% salary premium for professionals who know automation too. So the question no more is like, will AI take my job? But it will become like someone using AI or someone who is already upskilled or knows a different skill will definitely take your job. So as I said, the number don't lie and it's not too late. We would be going on with this series and we would definitely be learning a lot once it's over. Where AI is hitting the hardest, I've put down 6 sectors that is facing a lot of changes with AI and is also benefiting a lot. One being manufacturing, where predictive maintenance and AI robotics is eliminating unplanned downtime. Then e-commerce and retail, you have a lot of chatbots and AI-enabled assistant helping you with it. Healthcare, where we have diagnostic AI and drug discovery pipelines. Marketing and content, logistics, finance, and fintech. But these are just few sectors, but I believe that there is no sector that is not utilizing AI or would not be utilizing AI in the future. So a little course breakdown. In this particular series, what you would get into and what is that you're gonna walk away with. No fluff, no theory overload. We would be focusing on more practical implementation, on how to really use it in our day-to-day activities, build workflows, do a lot of hands-on, build an AI agent together, uh, using custom enterprise applications as well. And where you'll end up is you're going to add one more feather to your cap. You're going to stand out in the job market because you're going to learn a new skill, a new tool. You can freelance or consult using your automation skills, and you can automate repetitive tasks in any industry and eliminate the manual and mundane work. Now, how it works. So we are going to first ground ourselves with the fundamentals. So learn about the basic concepts that can be utilized among any automation tool. Every lesson would be connected to the last one. So it would be a continuous portion or part of the series. We'll solve real projects, real problems, and build together multiple workflows. So your skills don't expire and we should make them future proof. So this isn't just a course about a tool or an automation skill, but it's more about setting up the right mindset for what's coming in future. The automation wave is already here. The only question is whether we are building on the wave or being swept by it. Day one of the session is going to start soon, and I'm pretty sure that we won't be swept away by it by the end of the series. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button if you have not already, because I'm going to be dropping videos regularly. And so that you don't miss it, press that button. And I hope to see you in the next video soon. Till then, thanks for watching.